Alaikum. Dear students, hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEPS Home School. This is Fatematuj Johora, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies, National Idealist English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a class for the students of class 8. Our today's topic is chapter 3 and we will discuss about today Tajweed. Tajweed, under Tajweed, Noon Sakin and Tanween. We will discuss about this. You can see it at a glance. It is topic number chapter number 3, lesson 3 and 5 discussion, and lecture 13, HW number 11. Okay, now comes to your lesson. It is chapter 3. Lesson 3. Here, description of Noon Sakin and Tanween. You know the Noon Sakin and Tanween. Do you know what is the definition of Noon Sakin and Tanween? The Noon Sakin means the Noon with Sakin is called Noon Sakin. Here is Noon with Sakin is called Noon Sakin. And if it is double Jabor, double J and double Pesh, these are called Tanween. Okay. So here it is given it here. So you can see the Noon on which Jazam is used is called Noon Sakin. An, in, un. Here is the example. And Tanween, I said it, double Jabor or two Jabor, two Z, two Pesh, you can say anything, are called Tanween. You can see here is the example of Tanween, Rajulun and Rajulun. Here you have to read it like this, understand? So Noon Sakin and Tanween. Now here the degree of Noon Sakin and Tanween. Do you know what is degree? Degree means the information or the rules or regulation of reading Noon Sakin and Tanween, law, these things. Here Noon Sakin and Tanween are pronounced similarly. Okay, for this reason there are two discussed together in the prescript of Tajweed. There are 4 laws of Noon Sakin and Tanween. How many laws are there? Dear students, there are 4 laws of Noon Sakin and Tanween. It is important. So in order to read Noon Sakin and Tanween, 4 rules are to be followed. How many rules to be followed? 4 rules to be followed. These 4 rules are here: Idgham, Ikhfa, Izhar and Iqlab. These 4 are the rule of reading Noon Sakin and Tanween, or you can say the laws of reading Noon Sakin and Tanween. Now comes to the description of the Idgham. What is Idgham? Here is Idgham. You know Idgham, here are 6 letters of Idgham. Ya, Ra, Mim, Lam, Waw, Nun. These are together Yar Malun. You can call this letter together Yar Malun. Okay. When after Noon Sakin and Tanween, these 6 letters, any of the letter of these 6 letters come, then if any of the 6 letters of Idgham come, the Noon Sakin or Tanween is to be read jointly with the letter by making a junction. This very process of reading is called Idgham. So what is Idgham? You have gotten it here. Understand? So now because of Idgham, both letters are pronounced at the same time, and the letter which comes next to Noon Sakin or Tanween is attached to a tashdid. For example, Marrabbuka. Marrabbuka. These are the example. So you have gotten what is Idgham. So here are 2 kinds of Idgham. Dear students, Idgham with Gunna, Idgham without Gunna. How many kinds of Idgham are here? 2 kinds of Idgham are here. Idgham with Gunna, Idgham without Gunna. Now let's know what is Idgham with Gunna. Idgham with Gunna after Noon Sakin or Tanween, if any of 4 letters, these 4 letters, Ya, Waw, Mim, Nun, these 4 letters are included, these letters also. Okay, dear student, within these 6 letters, these 4 letters come. That Noon Sakin or Tanween is to be read jointly with that letter with Gunna of 1 alif. Understand? So if any of the 4 letters, these 4 letters, any of the 4 letters has come after Noon Sakin and Tanween, then you have to read it with Gunna. Make it long 1 alif. Understand? This is called Idgham with Gunna. Is it clear, dear students? Another name of it is Idgham Nakis. You can say Idgham Nakis. It is another name. Example, it is Hittatun naghfir lakum. Man yaqulu. Here is Maya. Here is Idgham. Man yaqulu. Hittatun nag. Here is Idgham. Understand? Idgham with Gunna. It is described, and you have to make it long in one alif. Gunna with, make it long one alif. Now idgham without gunna. Here is two letter of idgham, lam and ra. If after nun sakin and tanwin, if any of these letter has come, then you have to read this letter without gunna. Understand? This is called, I have said the same thing here, okay, jointly with that letter without gunna. This is called idgham without gunna. Another name of it is idgham-e kamil. You can say it can become in a small question. Okay, for example, min ladunka ghafurur rahim. So here is no gunna. Min ladunka ghafurur rahim. No gunna here. Okay. Here are some exception rules of idgham. They are not follow these two rules. Sinwanun, bunyanun, dunya. They are not following the rules of idgham. They are exceptional. Understand? Now come to another rules of reciting nun sakin and or reading nun sakin and tanwin. It is ikhfa. Ikhfa means reading covertly or secretly. Here are 15 letters of ikhfa. Ta, sa, jim, dal, zal, za, sin, shin, twa, twat, twa, zwa, fa, qaf, kaf. If after these 15 letters, any of these 15 letters has come after nun sakin and tanwin, then it will be pronounced with the nasal sound silently, like pronouncing Chandra Bindu. Understand? It is ikhfa, and it are to be read lengthening equal to one alif. You have to make it long one alif. It is called ikhfa. Okay, nasal sound. With nasal sound you have to read. It is example here, min tahtiha munzirina, minkum, min sijil, man fa'ala, indi. These are ikhfa, example of ikhfa. Okay, now example of ikhfa with tanwin here, zarratin sharra, ni'matin tujza, zillan zalila. So here izhar. Understand? The two rules has been gone, idgham and ikhfa. Now another rule, it is izhar. So izhar, it is implies to read distinctly, to reveal. Understand? Okay, in the terminology of tasbih after nun sakin and tanwin, if any of these letters, 6 hamza, hamza, ha, kha, ain, ghain. Okay, if any of 6 letters come after nun sakin and tanwin, then you have to read it distinctly from its own makhraj. Understand? Place of pronunciation without gunna is called izhar. Okay, that you know the letter is this. Here, minhum, min khairin, azizun alayhi. Here the example of izhar. You have to read it sposto. In Bangla you can say sposto kore porte hobe. Understand? Now here is qalob or iklab. Iklab implies to read by making alternation. In the terminology of tajweed, if the letter ba comes after nun sakin or tanwin, this nun sakin or tanwin has to be covered into mim and read with gunna equal to one alif time. This is called iklab or qalob. Okay, iklab has only one letter. How many letter? Only one letter. Example, mim ba'di, sami'um basir. So you have to make it or read it with mim. Okay, exchanging with mim, you have to pronounce it like this. These are the rules and regulation of reading nun sakin and tanwin. 4 are described here. Understand? These are the name, these are the definition. You have to, these are very important for you, dear students. You have to read it very carefully. Understand? And if you don't understand these things, you can ask me in live class. Now come to lesson 5. It is lesson 5, tilawate nazira. What is tilawate nazira? Tilawate nazira means you have to read the Quran with sin. Okay, when you are reading the Quran with sin, it is called tilawate nazira. And here are some require of reciting the manners of reciting Holy Quran. There are manners of reciting Holy Quran. These to sit in a sacred place after doing ablution completely. Okay, these are the manner of reciting Holy Quran. To sit in prayer mode towards Kaaba, to recite Durud Sharif several times before tilawat, to start reciting after saying A'udhu Billahi Minash Shaitanir Rajim, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, to recite slowly using tasbih if the intention is not be memorized. Okay, hifz. Okay, to recite with meaning if it is possible, to pay full attention towards the Holy Quran when the meaning is not understood, to recite nicely, not to make any fun or conversation during reciting the Holy Quran. Okay, to recite only for the attainment of the satisfaction of Allah the Almighty, to keep the Quran Majid with respect and tazim in a holy and high place after the recitation. These are the manner of reciting Holy Quran. And Tilawat-e-Nazira means reading the Quran Majid with sin, by sin. Okay. So these are, you know, the fazilat of Tilawat-e-Nazira Quran are vast. Okay, learning this, it is Quran al-Karim. We will recite the Quran Majid regularly and try to attain it fazilat. These are our duty. Okay, dear students, now come to your HW. It is HW number 11. Question answer. You have to answer the question. How many rules of reading Nun Sakin and Tanween? I have said it. You will get the answer here from our lecture. You can write it. How many rules of reading Nun Sakin and Tanween? You know it is 4. You have to write these 4 names. Understand? Only names, not definition. Only the names. Okay. Now here, how many kinds of idgham are there? There are how many kinds of idgham? 2 kinds of idgham. You have to write these 2 kinds of idgham with example. Nothing else. Understand? Dear student, these are your HW. Now I hope that you have understood your today's lesson. Dear students, keep fasting and perform your prayer every day. Abide by your parents. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.